When you multiply a negative integer by a negative integer, the answer is positive. When you multiply an even number of integers, when you multiply an even number of negative integers, the product is positive. An even number of negative integers would be like negative times a negative, which would be a positive. Now, when you multiply an odd number of negative integers, so add a negative times a negative times a negative, this would give me a positive result. And then I would have to multiply that by a negative, and a positive times a negative equals a negative. Let's find out more. It says here that read the problem below, then explore different ways to understand and interpret. Read the problem below, then explore different ways to understand Read the problem below, then explore different ways to understand multiplying integers. Lisa owes $2 to each of 6 friends. What integer represents Lisa's debt? This book used 2 different models. They used one model that looks like this and one that looks like this. You can use groups to help you understand these type of problems. Lisa owes $2 to each of her 6 friends. So what she said was she can write that as 6 groups of -2. And 6 groups of -2 looks like this. -2 plus -2 plus -2 plus -2 plus -2 plus -2. This would give me -4. This would give me -6, -8, -10, -12. Now the following number line shows the amount Lisa owes her friends. Start at 0 and make 6 jumps of -2. Now this is called skip counting. This is what multiplication looks like on a number line. Notice that we went to the left of 0, -2 spaces for each bunny hop that you see. So each bunny hop was -2 spaces long. So we can count down by 2's in the negative side to figure out that we get to -12 after we have 6 of these little bunny hops. So what number represents the amount Lisa owes each friend? Technically, she owes each friend $2. She owes a debt of $2. So if you see a debt or owe somebody something, think of your integer as being a negative one. What is the amount? Why is the amount positive or negative? Why? Well, we know she owed each one of her friends -$2. If you look here on this number line, that means that she has to keep on going down by 2's every time until she has completed paying each one of the 6 friends that she owes. So this is friend 1, friend 2, friend 3, friend 4, friend 5, friend 6. So each time she is just paying off $2 more than she did before. So this amount will be a negative one because it's a debt. So a negative because of debt. Now how many friends did Lisa owe? Well, she owed 6. And then you can complete the phrase to show how much Lisa owes. She owes 6 groups of -2. Now rewrite the addition of groups as multiplication of groups. So how many -2's do I see here in this string of numbers? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 of these -2's. So I have 6 groups of -2. Multiplication literally means I have 6 groups of -2. Adding 6 groups of -2 is the same as multiplying 6 groups of -2. Complete the multiplication to find the integer that represents Lisa's total debt. 6 groups of -2 will equal -12 things. Explain how you can use the rules of multiplication, multiplying a positive number by a negative number to check that your answer has the correct sign. Well, the rules of multiplication clearly state that when you have a positive number times a negative number, the product of those two numbers will be a -1. So let's try what we learned to go on a little bit deeper. Use what you just learned to solve these problems. Show your work on a separate sheet of paper. What is -8 things? What is -8 groups of 12? Or what are 12 groups of -8 equal to? Well, 12 groups times -8 would be the same if I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I have 12 groups of -8 things. Now I have 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 groups of -8. 12 groups of -8 gives me what? Let's count how many dots I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 32, yep, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96. So this is equal to 96, but this is negative. So a crack in the water tank leaks 7 gallons of water each hour. 9 hours, after 9 hours, what is the change in the volume of water in the tank due to the leak? So, I have a crack in the water tank that leaks 7 gallons an hour. So I have this water tank right here. There's water in here, but there's a crack in it, and it's causing it to spill out all this water. All this water every time. I have this big old tank of water here, and it's leaking. So I have this big tank of water here, and it's leaking water like everywhere. And every hour it's leaking 7 gallons of water. So 7 gallons of water per hour. So 7 gallons per hour. After 9 hours, what is the change in the volume of the water tank due to the leak? Well, how much water, it doesn't ask me how much water this thing had in it. It just tells me that this water tank had 7 gallons per hour that it lost. So technically, it lost -7 things every hour. Then, it says after 9 hours, what is the change in volume of the water? Well, what is 7 times 9? Or what is -7 plus -7 plus -7 plus -7 plus -7 plus -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus -7 plus -7, 6, 7, 8, plus -7. Well, that's 14. That's -14. Then if I went down another 7, that would put me at 21. Another 7 would put me at 28. Then this will put me at 35, and then this one put me at 42, and this one would put me at 49, this one would put me at 56, and then this one would put me at 63. So I have 63 spaces to the left of 0, which would give me -63 as an answer. So -63 gallons shorter. Gallons lost. Okay. Okay, that's good. Good job, guys.